House on the End is an end-of-terrace infill site development. It is a contemporary reinterpretation of the neighbouring terraces, complementing the streetscape and adding a house on the end. With an approximate net construction cost of $265,000, the project was procured via construction management. 1,200 works acted as both architect and construction manager, with Elliott Wood providing the structural and civil engineering services. The site is located in the historical heart of Brockley, known as Crofton Park in southeast London. This tight 72 square metre infill site was large enough to extrude the form of terraced houses while retaining a modest back garden. The site contained unused storage garages which had originally been stables. The site was cleared and the garages demolished. The site was then excavated to allow the house to be sunken into its surroundings. In situ fibre-reinforced concrete frames out the building on the 3 new sides. By utilising the flexural strength of the product, over 90% of the steel reinforcement was eliminated from the frame. This reduced time on site and created efficiencies in thinner slabs and walls that would not be achievable with traditional reinforced concrete. A pitched roof continues the form of the terrace, while factory-rejected hand-set bricks and concrete lintels encase the frame and insulation. The white Victorian datums of the street continue along the front elevation. As the ground floor is sunken into its surroundings, metal overpanels conceal the structure behind that can be seen here prior to the window installation. The form and proportions of the bay windows are adapted into a folding of the façade. The syncopation of the inner concrete and outer brick skins creates an optical illusion from the street, whereby a 3-storey building with generous ceiling heights fits into a typically 2-storey terrace building volume. The before and after comparison illustrates the continuation of the historic datums, while the section reveals the sunken relationship to street level. On this tight site, the house is designed to minimise corridors and maximise usable area. The ground floor plan is generally open, with the bedrooms on the upper levels. The kitchen is located at the front of the house. Behind a polished concrete breakfast bar is an open plan living and dining area. The dog den is tucked under the blackened steel and beech stair. The ground floor of the property faces onto a walled patio garden. On the upper levels, stacked cornered staircases minimise corridors, creating generously sized rooms. The master bedroom features inbuilt storage and dressing table. A Jack and Jill bathroom arrangement allows the client's large ensuite to become the family bathroom when the household grows. Until that point, the second bedroom serves as a working from home office. The top floor soft living area features a pitched ceiling with storage in the eaves, and as all services are ducted up to this level, it is future-proofed as another potential bedroom and bathroom. The muted greys of the exposed concrete and poured terrazzo floor, complemented by warm brass, blackened steel and lime timber, create a limited palette of materials rigorously applied throughout the project. The concrete formwork grid of the RC frame relates directly to the birch ply sheets of the internal walls, and the tie holes set the subgrid for the hanging of lights, artwork and shelves. The simple purity of self-finishing materials helps to create an honest aesthetic that is a pleasure to inhabit. This raw is more philosophy allows inhabitants and visitors to understand the building's construction whilst not losing sight of important human scale details. The huge reduction of steel reinforcement and significant proportion of GGBS used as cementitious replacement helps to reduce the embodied carbon of the concrete. The frame also creates a homogeneous, near airtight box, which along with its thermal mass properties does away with the need for any active cooling or MVHR system. This helps to achieve a design SAP rating of 92+, equivalent to EPC A. This thermal mass along with airtightness, durability, and cooling via stack ventilation, mean lower, more consistent, and non-volatile energy usage, reducing operational costs, which greatly benefits the occupants. From the outside, House on the End seeks to complement the local streetscape, but within, it challenges pre-existing notions of suburban living, sustainability, and raw materials. Thank you.